Alright, y'all, good morning. We're at the parents' house. We got the dog saying good morning to us. We got Ruben. We got Rebel. This is the old guy. We got Rye. We got Rhett. We got Crystal. She's just a dog, too.
Oh, okay. This is what we're doing.
Yeah, Ruben like walks your hand with you. He'll take you wherever he wants you. Alright, you ready to go to town and get some work done?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's Belle. I can't forget about her. She's the mama of all these pups. Oh, you ready to go? Let's go. Let's go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. We're headed into Starbucks to get some work done. I've got to publish a podcast. I've got to record a podcast. I've got a client call. I've got to go train. I've got to check in with my clients. And what else we have going on today? I've got to finish my presentation, so lots to do. We have arrived at the office. Crystal?
There's a cricket on my bag.
There's a cricket on the bag. Focus. Look at that focus, that intensity. She's trying hard not to smile right now. There she does it. She smiles. She can't stop it. She can't stop it. Alright. Just got done working on the presentation. Pretty much got it done. Just got the presentation done. Emailed that in. I'm excited about it. It's going to be a good one. I feel really, really good about it. So, yeah. Now, I got to do some podcasting. Alright, y'all, just got a podcast published. I published the one with Zach Bitter. Super interesting. Crystal got a bunch of work done, didn't you? Bunch of work. We still got a bunch more work to do, but we got to run some errands right now. And I'm trying to like tease you a little bit because we just invested in or about to invest in something, but I don't want to show you until I can actually physically show you. But stay tuned because it's going down. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna keep the alrighty y'all because y'all have told me that you like that, but I'm gonna mix up so it's not every single intro to a new clip is alrighty y'all. What should I say? What's up? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Wow.
No?
Nope.
What should I do?
I don't know, but you just sounded like,
howdy y'all.
hey, I do jujitsu.
Hey, making fun of me?
Yeah.
Alright, anyways, we just got done signing some dotted lines and investments have been made. And we know I'll have those investments physically in my possession on Monday. So you will see that soon. But I'm not even going to tell you what it is now. I'm just going to let you, the suspense is just festering. I just know it's festering in you. It's just killing you. Anyways, Keto Brick's scaling up big time, y'all. The business promotion is about to be scaling up. The business branding, the business community is about to be scaling up. So get ready for it. Right now, we're headed back to Starbucks, isn't that right? Yep. To work on a client. She's got a client call. Lots of stuff to do still, but we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna train arms or shoulders? Shoulders, she guesses. Alright, but first, work time. Alright, little detour. Before we start working, we gotta go to Kroger and get something to eat. You hungry?
So hungry.
Boom. It's kind of funny when I'm filming in a grocery store, people like look at us like we're tourists or something. We've never been to a grocery store before. That what it looks like?
That's what it looks like.
It's like where do they go for food in their countries? What are you leaning toward there, babe?
Half a pound of chicken.
Half a pound of chicken. That's so not cool.
I'm actually getting like lettuce and putting it on a salad.
Lame-o. I'm thinking about getting a whole thing of Parmesan crisps and eating that. Boom. You making a salad, babe?
Doing my best.
Let me see. What we got?
What, babe? I'm trying to get a dressing.
Oh, what dressing you gonna go with?
I don't know yet. I gotta look at the backs of them.
By the way, pro tip, I got that purple seat cushion thing, and I've been carrying it with me everywhere, which is actually pretty handy. Crystal's been making fun of me, but it feels super soft. Oh, I said all right, y'all. What's up? Perfect example, y'all. Seat cushion, metal seats at Starbucks. Comfy butt right here, comfy butt. All right, Crystal, salad and chicken. She also got Walden Farms syrup.
Not for my
her
salad.
yogurt. And I got these Parmesan wisps. About to chow down.
By the way, that was the same price as my chicken and salad. So I know how to shop better. I'm gonna be way more full than you.
Whatever, I'm not even hungry. Crystal's cold. Why are you so cold, babe? Cold heart?
No, but everywhere we go is cold today.
Alright, y'all. Dang it, I said it again. What's up, y'all? We're headed to the gym right now, working on clients. I'm about halfway done, so I still got some more of that to do. But it's raining. It's a good day, though. I feel good about today. I got a client call at 7. Hope my folks aren't expecting me home for dinner because we ain't gonna make it. What's up, y'all? Headed to the gym, train some shoulders. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, successful workout at the Fit Factory in the books. It's kind of a rushed workout. I got a client call right now in like 5 minutes, so had to run through it, but better rushed than none at all. You gotta do what you gotta do. What is going on, everybody? Did not say what's up that time. Didn't even say, alright, y'all. I just want to end this vlog with this beautiful lake view behind me. This is actually Lake Maumelle, which we pass every day going to my parents' house. I don't pass my parents' house every day, but every day we go to the parents' house, we pass this lake, and it's just pretty. It brings me back to my roots, back to the farm, back to the country life, which I love and am passionate about. You know, don't ever forget where you came from. Don't ever forget your upbringing. Don't ever forget the people that have been in your life from the beginning. But today, I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about. I'm just kind of random at this point. Today we had a bunch of client calls. We went in, made that investment. Investment has been made. Check has been written. That is done. I keep hyping that up, y'all. I'm just excited. I'm excited to show y'all what we got, and it's gonna be good. So stay tuned for that on Monday's vlog. Tomorrow I have to update all my clients' macros. So it's gonna be kind of busy there. Wednesday, actually, let me give you just a quick play-by-play. So tomorrow, updating macros. Sunday, I'm going to try and spend some time with mom and dad before we leave for Austin. Monday, we're going to be making keto bricks for the KetoCon conference. I got a booth this year, so we're making a bunch of bricks for the conference. So there's not going to be a launch soon after Monday because all those are going to be for the conference. We're going to make a whole bunch more for a huge batch in July. We're leaving for Austin
for the conference on Wednesday. We're going to be there Wednesday to Wednesday. KetoCon is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you're even kind of thinking about going to KetoCon, definitely jump on it because KetoCon is awesome. The vibe there is going to be just on fire. Last year was the first year they had it, and it was lit. It's only going to be better this year. And I just finished my speech today, my presentation, submitted that. I'm really excited to present on that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna just try and engage everybody. Like, we're gonna try and get some gym time in. Keto Connect's coming there. Keto Connect and I are gonna do some cooking with Candy, who won the Deeper State Keto giveaway. So we're gonna like do a cooking session with them, a workout session with them. It's gonna be fun. I've got some clients that are gonna be at KetoCon. I'm gonna try and meet up with them and train with them at least once or twice. It's just gonna be cool. It's a cool vibe, y'all. They're gonna be cool vendors, cool people, cool speakers. They're gonna learn a bunch. It's just like a really good opportunity to get fired up about this lifestyle, this community, and just self-improvement as it relates to nutrition, training, and health as a whole. So yeah, that is that. I'm excited about that. Excited about a lot of things coming up, y'all. So stay tuned. I'm just, again, rambling at this point. We're 3 minutes in. Last night, I'm just gonna cut it there. I'm just gonna start rambling. All right, so excited about things. See y'all tomorrow. Have a great day. Love you, and we'll talk soon. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna do a panoramic view of this lake real quick because it's that pretty. So check this out.
All right, look at that. I missed the sunset, but you kind of get an idea. Dad and I go sailing on this lake. He has a little sailboat, so we'll go sailing. I'm kind of on this cliff edge right now. And Crystal is in the car waiting on me. So, y'all take care.